Hello there. I'm glad you're here because today we're about to embark on a quirky journey into one of the most playful corners of the crypto universe. Today, we're diving into the world of memecoins, a place where internet jokes, viral trends, and digital currencies collide in the most unexpected ways. Imagine digital money that doesn't take itself too seriously. Instead of being born from a grand vision or a complex financial plan, memecoins often start as a joke, a funny dog picture, a viral meme, or a silly internet trend that catches fire and spreads across the web. Memecoins aren't here to solve big world problems or revolutionize banking. They exist for fun, to bring a much-needed laugh to the often serious and intimidating world of finance. They're like the class clowns of the crypto classroom, reminding everyone not to take things too seriously. People love them because they're a breath of fresh air, owning a piece of a shared internet joke, a little slice of online culture that you can actually hold in your digital wallet. It's like joining a club where everyone's in on the same gag, and the only requirement for membership is a sense of humor and a love for internet shenanigans. These coins thrive on hype, wild stories, and the excitement of a community rallying around a daft idea. The more people talk, laugh, and share, the bigger the memecoins legend grows. Social media is their playground, and every tweet, post, or viral video can send a memecoin soaring or tumbling depending on the mood of the internet that day. It's not about profit margins or long-term strategies. It's about capturing a bit of internet magic in your digital wallet and maybe, just maybe, being part of the next big online craze. So a memecoin is a digital token inspired by internet culture. Less about serious investment, more about being part of a fun, ever-changing trend that brings people together for a laugh. Sometimes it works out and people make a fortune, sometimes it's just a funny mess that leaves everyone giggling. But that's the real charm of memecoins. They're unpredictable, wild, and always entertaining. So buckle up and get ready to explore the wild, wonderful, and totally unpredictable world of memecoins, where laughter, community, and a dash of internet magic rule the day. Before you even think about building your meme coin, you need a cracking idea, something that stands out in a sea of sameness. This is the moment to let your imagination run wild. Don't hold back. The best ideas often start as a silly doodle or a random thought that makes you laugh. Start with a theme, something that makes people smile, chuckle, or instantly feel a connection. It could be a hilarious animal, a quirky object, or even a feeling everyone can relate to. Think about what makes you giggle or what your friends find funny. The more universal the appeal, the better. Your theme should be simple, unique, and instantly recognizable. If someone sees your coin for just a second, they should get the joke or the vibe right away. Avoid anything too complicated. Simplicity is your superpower here. Next, craft a quirky backstory. Why does your coin exist? Maybe it's a penguin who wants to buy more ice, or a cat that's tired of chasing laser dots. Even if your story is just for laughs, it gives your coin depth and makes it memorable. People love a good story, even if it's a little bit bonkers. Now pick a name. It should be catchy, easy to remember, and tied to your theme. Think waddle coin for penguins or perfect coin for cats. Try out a few options and see which one sticks in your mind. The right name can make your coin unforgettable. Say it out loud. Does it make you grin? Does it roll off the tongue? If it makes you smile, chances are it'll make others smile too. That's the magic of a great brand. It's fun to say and easy to share. Pull it all together. A fun theme, a memorable story, and a name that sticks in people's heads. This is the recipe for a coin that people will want to talk about and share with their friends. This is your coin's identity, the special spark that sets it apart from every other coin out there. It's the magic ingredient that makes your project truly yours. Don't worry about the tech or the complicated stuff just yet. Focus on letting your imagination take the lead. The wildest ideas often become the most beloved coins. You're not just creating a coin, you're creating a character, a mascot, a hero that people can root for and rally behind. Make it someone or something people want to see win. Give your idea a face, a personality, and a reason to exist. Make it fun, make it memorable, and most importantly, make it yours. That's the perfect start to your memecoin journey. Now let's make your coin a reality. Choose a blockchain. Solana and BNB chain are popular for memecoins. Use a token generator website. It's like filling out a form with your coin's name, ticker, and total supply. Big numbers look impressive, even if each coin is worth a fraction of a penny. Set up a digital wallet like Phantom or MetaMask to hold your coins and pay small fees. Fund your wallet with a bit of the main blockchain's currency. Keep your secret password phrase safe, never share it. Connect your wallet to the generator, fill in the details, and hit create. In moments, your new coins appear in your wallet. It's a magical feeling. Your idea is now a real digital thing. You're officially a memecoin creator. Celebrate your invention. Your coins are ready, but now it's time to launch. Create a liquidity pool by pairing your memecoins with a popular crypto like Solana or Ethereum on a decentralized exchange. This lets people buy and sell your coin. Without it, your coin just sits there. Set up your pool on platforms like Radium or Uniswap. Now shout about your coin online. Use X, Twitter, and Telegram to share your story and memes. Build excitement before launch, post teasers, countdowns, and get your first fans buzzing. When you go live, share your coin's contract address so people can find it. Be clear, honest, and ready for a whirlwind of activity. Your launch is your big moment. Make it count. Invite people to join the fun. The adventure begins now. So how do you actually make money from your meme coin? The simplest way? Keep a stash of coins for yourself, the dev wallet. If your coin gets popular and the price rises, your stash becomes valuable. Sell small amounts over time to reward yourself for your hard work. Always be transparent about your holdings. Trust is key. Some meme coins add a tiny tax to each transaction, sending a bit to the creator or back to holders. It's like a tip jar that rewards you for keeping the project alive. The real value comes from the community deciding your coin is worth something. It's a mix of planning, luck, and a bit of financial magic. Remember, value is created by belief and excitement. Be honest, build trust, and enjoy the ride. That's how you earn with meme coins. Creating a meme coin is fun, but watch out for classic mistakes. Lack of transparency is a big one. Always be open about your plans and coin holdings. Poor security can ruin everything. Lock your liquidity pool to prevent rug pulls and protect your community. Don't launch a coin with no story or personality, it'll fizzle out fast. Keep your community engaged with memes, events, and updates. Don't get greedy, dumping your stash crashes the price and betrays your supporters. Sell gradually and think long-term. Treat your community with respect, they believed in your idea. Avoid these blunders, and you'll keep your project on track. Remember, a meme coin is a living project, not a one-off stunt. Keep tending to it and it'll thrive. Build trust, stay honest, and have fun. That's the secret to success. A meme coin is nothing without its community. Start on Telegram and X. Create a lively group chat where everyone feels welcome. Be present, answer questions, share updates, and join the fun. Run competitions, best meme, funniest slogan, and reward winners with your coin. Empower your most passionate members, make them moderators or give them fun titles. A team of enthusiastic volunteers is stronger than a solo leader. Keep the mood light and positive, discourage negativity. Celebrate milestones together, big or small. Share jokes, memes, and silly moments. The more fun your community is, the more people will join and stick around. A happy community is a strong one. Together, you can take your silly idea to the moon. That's the real magic of memecoins. Before you get carried away, let's talk safety. Never share your wallet's secret phrase. Keep it written down and hidden. Know the rules in your country. Crypto laws vary and can be confusing. Don't promise guaranteed profits. Meme coins are high-risk fun, not investments. Use clear disclaimers on your website and social media. Be honest. Say your coin may go up or down and encourage people to do their own research. Stay curious and keep learning. The crypto world changes fast. Ask for advice from experienced folks when needed. Protect your community by being upfront and cautious. The goal is to have fun and create something special, not end up in trouble. Treat your project and your supporters with respect. Stay safe, stay proper, and enjoy the adventure. Now back to the fun. From a daft idea to a digital coin with a buzzing community, it's quite a journey. What starts as a simple spark of inspiration, maybe even a joke between friends, can grow into something much bigger than you ever imagined. Along the way, you'll find yourself learning, laughing, and connecting with people from all walks of life, all brought together by a shared sense of fun and curiosity. Creating a meme coin is about creativity, not just tech skills. Sure, there's some coding and a bit of digital know-how involved, but the real heart of it is imagination. It's about dreaming up something that makes people smile, and then bringing it to life with your own unique twist. Whether you're an artist, a storyteller, or just someone with a wild idea, there's a place for you in this world. The real magic is in the community and the shared excitement. When people rally around your coin, it's not just about the value or the tech, it's about the inside jokes, the memes, and the sense of belonging. Every new member brings their own energy, and together you create a vibe that's impossible to replicate. A meme coin is a social experiment powered by belief and good humor. It's a reminder that sometimes the best things in life come from not taking ourselves too seriously. When you share a laugh or a clever idea, you're building something that's more than just a digital asset. You're building memories and friendships. It's proof that value can come from joy, connection, and a bit of silliness. In a world that often feels too serious, memecoins are a breath of fresh air, a way to celebrate creativity and togetherness. The laughter, the camaraderie, and the shared moments are what truly make it worthwhile. There will be bumps along the way, but that's part of the fun. Every stumble is a story, every challenge a chance to learn and grow. Sometimes things go sideways, but with a good sense of humor and a supportive crew, you'll always find your way back on track. Whether your coin soars to the moon or just brings a few laughs to your friends, the experience is its own reward. The memories you make, the people you meet, and the stories you share are what truly matter in the end. If you've got a funny idea, give it a go. Sketch it, name it, and tell its story. Don't worry about being perfect, just start somewhere and see where your imagination takes you. Every great project begins with a single step, and you never know who you might inspire along the way. The world of meme coins is your creative playground. There are no strict rules, just endless possibilities. Experiment, collaborate, and most importantly, have fun with it. Let your ideas run wild and see what you can create together. Keep it fun, keep it friendly, and always have some cheese ready for celebrations. Because at the end of the day, it's the good times and the shared laughter that make the journey truly special. It's been a grand adventure. Cheers to your next big idea. Whatever you dream up next, remember to enjoy the ride, cherish the community, and never underestimate the power of a little bit of silliness.